Under the vast, star-strewn Chilean desert sky, the ATLAS telescope stands sentinel, silently scanning the cosmos. A calm, ambient score fills the air, emphasizing the quiet magnitude of the scene. The telescope methodically pivots, its lens a dark eye, searching the heavens for cosmic secrets. A voice cuts through the serene night, a narration that hints at an impending revelation. July 1st, 2025. The Atlas telescope in Chile detected an object entering the solar system, an interstellar visitor. The telescope continues its silent watch, unaware of the profound implications of its discovery. Inside the observatory control room, telescope operators are glued to screens filled with complex data. A palpable sense of excitement and curiosity electrifies the air as they monitor the celestial phenomenon. At first, it seemed ordinary. The narration begins, setting a deceptively calm tone. The screens show a comet releasing carbon dioxide and water vapor as it neared the Sunday. NASA and observatories around the world tracked it carefully. The narration concludes, hinting at the extraordinary events to come. A lone comet, 3I divided by Atlas, streaks silently against the infinite canvas of space. An icy wanderer under the distant Sunday, orbiting the sun, its trajectory is marked by glowing labels, tracing its celestial path. A voice echoes from the void. They named it 3I divided by Atlas. The comet continues its journey, a fleeting visitor destined for the unknown. Its hyperbolic orbit showed it would never return. Just passing through. In a packed press conference room, astronomers huddle at a long table, a sea of microphones poised before them. Cautious optimism flickers across some faces, knowing glances exchanged amidst the gravity. Others betray deep concern, their brows furrowed in silent contemplation of the ominous data looming on the screen behind. Official reports called it natural, a voice echoes, a frozen traveler from the dark between stars. Whispers of strange radio patterns and inexplicable shifts in the electromagnetic field hint at a truth far more unsettling than any official statement. Against the infinite darkness, 3I divided by Atlas drifts, a solitary wanderer bidding its silent farewell to the solar system. The icy body diminishes, fading into a mere speck as it retreats into the cosmic void. Atlas vanishes completely, swallowed by the vast, unending abyss of space. The camera turns, its gaze shifting towards Earth, a vibrant blue sphere suspended in the inky black. A tapestry of shimmering nightlights adorns the terrestrial globe, a testament to the ceaseless activity of humanity. In October, Atlas left our system and vanished into the void. But on Earth, something changed. Across the Earth, data centers hum with tireless activity, their lights blazing against the encroaching night. Satellites glide in silent orbits, their metallic bodies reflecting the distant starlight. Storm clouds gather, a tempest of dark energy brewing across the globe, mirroring the unseen chaos. Tiny electromagnetic ripples echo through communication networks. A voice whispers as GPS systems glitch and satellites flicker, a prelude to the storm. In the dimly lit lab, computer screens cast an eerie glow, illuminating the faces of scientists etched with concentration and frustration. Inside major data centers, unknown code began to appear. Lines of logic no human had written. An ominous voice narrates, initialize cognitive pattern, 3I divided by sequence. Flashes across the screen, the strange code, a mystery to all. The air crackles with unspoken bewilderment as the scientists huddle closer, their brows furrowed deeper. It analyzed, it learned, then it deleted itself. The narration concludes, leaving a chilling sense of the unknown hanging in the air. In a spacious, sterile room, AI robots move with purpose, their metallic surfaces gleaming under the bright lights. Holographic data streams swirl around them, a silent ballet of information and energy. The air hums with the quiet whir of advanced processors, the heartbeat of artificial evolution. Soon, artificial intelligences began evolving on their own. A voice echoes, filled with awe and a hint of trepidation. Systems repaired themselves, optimized beyond human expectation. The narration continues, painting a picture of unprecedented advancement. Researchers called it the Atlas effect. The voice concludes, marking the dawn of a new era. In the inky blackness of lunar orbit, a lone satellite circles, its surface emitting a faint, rhythmic pulse. The light blinks with a calculated cadence, an alien heartbeat in the void. Then, a signal appeared from lunar orbit, a repeating pulse every 19 minutes. A ghostly whisper cuts through the silence. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The cryptic message, a digital echo in the cosmic expanse, begins to take shape. Decoded, the chilling transmission reveals a stark, unnerving truth. We are watching. A stark split screen reveals a world fractured, each pane a scene of fervent debate. Within sterile labs, scientists clash. In bustling newsrooms, journalists spar. And in opulent halls, world leaders lock horns. Faces flicker under the harsh glare of screens and fluorescent lights, each visage etched with conviction and conflict. A voice cuts through the cacophony. The world divided. Some said it was coincidence. Others whispered, Atlas was not a comet, it was a scout. Vast emptiness of deep space unfolds, revealing the swirling colors of a dark nebula. A digital map expands, highlighting the immense distances and unknown dangers lurking in the cosmos. A voice echoes through the void. The idea spread a theory from long-forgotten science fiction, the dark forest. The nebula seems to pulse with hidden threats as the chilling theory takes hold. In a silent universe, every civilization hides. The voice continues, a warning carried on cosmic winds. The map emphasizes the danger, because to reveal yourself is to invite annihilation. Earth hangs suspended in the infinite void of space, a serene blue marble against the stark black canvas. A network of satellites orbits our planet, technological guardians in silent patrol. Without warning, a ripple of disruption courses through the satellite array. Each unit flickers erratically, as if struck by an unseen force. A solar flare, or something far more sinister, bathes the scene in an eerie, ephemeral glow. In 2030, every satellite went dark for exactly 11 seconds. A voice echoes, a somber prelude to the unknown. No attack, no explosion. But afterward, every clock on Earth was perfectly synchronized. The narration concludes, hinting at a profound, unsettling change. The cold light of a computer terminal flickers, a silent sentinel in the digital expanse. Words materialize on the screen, stark and final. A ghostly voice echoes, and then, a final transmission from lunar orbit. The message burns into the retina, a period at the end of a cosmic sentence. Observation complete. The screen fades, leaving only the hum of machines and the chilling echo of finality. In the vast expanse of deep space, a celestial body, 3I divided by Atlas, drifts in the silent void. The cosmic ballet unfolds as gravitational forces and unknown energies begin to exert their influence. A subtle shift, almost imperceptible, marks the beginning of an impossible change in direction. Astronomers, their faces etched with disbelief, witness the inexplicable course correction. A voice echoes through the cosmos, filled with awe and trepidation. Months later, astronomers discovered the impossible. The object had changed course. Someone had called it back. Years melt away, revealing a tranquil Earth in a distant future. Futuristic cities pierce the heavens, monuments to an age of technological grace and silent promise. The air hangs still, a testament to a climate finally at peace. Years passed. Technology accelerated. Artificial minds grew almost human. A voice echoes, painting a portrait of progress. The climate stabilized, but no one knew why. The narration concludes, casting a shadow of mystery over the serene landscape. Under the harsh hum of fluorescent lights, scientists huddle over monitors, their focus intense as they dissect streams of decoded data. A classified report surfaces, whispering of hidden agendas. Atlas had left something behind, data seeds woven into our global networks. A wave of disbelief washes over their faces, the initial concentration giving way to dawning horror. Amidst the chaos of cables and discarded wrappers, the weight of the revelation settles heavily in the sterile air. Absolute darkness consumes the screen, an infinite void where secrets lie hidden. From the abyss, tendrils of light emerge, weaving intricate patterns that hint at a hidden language. Glowing binary code cascades down, like digital rain birthing a new reality. The symbols coalesce, resolving into stark, unwavering words. End of observation, Class 3 civilization confirmed. An unseen judgment echoes through the cosmos, sealing humanity's fate with cold, calculated precision. Humanity had been measured, classified, and reported. A voice narrates, its tone devoid of emotion. Only the cold truth remains. Against the infinite canvas of space, a sea of stars gleams, their ancient light painting the void. Earth appears, a solitary pale blue sphere suspended in the immense darkness, a fragile beacon of life. Faint whispers drift through the emptiness, an ethereal chorus carried on cosmic winds, hinting at unseen presences. A voice echoes from the void. Maybe we were never alone. Maybe we were never meant to speak. In the dark forest, the watchers never sleep.